Hello everyone, this is Anand Krishnan here. Very special guest waiting to join us. Probably the youngest aeroplane maker in the world. First standard kid from Ghaziabad in UP, closer to Varanasi. Here, Vivan. Those who are following me on Twitter would have seen his Tejas model. So we are going to talk to Vivan about his plane making skills, about his Lego Tejas model. These are all part of my efforts to encourage youngsters, no matter what age they are, because I thought that's one way of also telling them that their talent, their ideas do matter. So today it's Vivan, and Vivan's parents have managed to record one small segment for us to show his skills, whatever he has made with Lego. So first we will watch that, and then after that we shall get Vivan on a call. So that we can listen to his dreams. So first, let's watch Vivan's wonder world of planes and other creative stuff. Enjoy this special segment of Tarmac Talent Track.
Hey everyone, my name is Vivan Gupta. I study in first grade in Harvest International School, and my hometown is in Varanasi. Also, I made a Lego fighter plane. And this is the two pilot shield, and this is the nose. This is the tail. These are the wings. These are the missiles. These are the shooters. And this is the booster engine. Go slow, then faster. It will take off, and these are the wheels. I will show you other designs of it. This is the pilot seats. These are the people stay seats. And this is the swimming pool. And this is also the fighter plane. I made it. And this is the ice cream parlor. And these are the sofa. And this is the table. And these are the tables too. And these are the ice cream machine. This is the fighter plane also I made. This is the boat. I made it also. And this is the ice cream trolley. I made it. And this is the car and the dog. I made it. And these are the two I also made it. Thank you.
Hello, Vivan. Good evening to you.
Good evening, Uncle.
All right. My name is Anand Krishnan, and I am a big fan of Vivan, okay? Because, I am a big fan of yours because, I saw your Tejas model, what you made of that Lego model, what you made, right?
Yes.
So today we are going to talk about it. I wanted to know, how did you make it, all that? Okay?
Okay.
So, you are in which class, Vivan?
In first grade.
First grade now. Okay. So, you like planes a lot, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell me about your Tejas, what you made about Lego, what all the things it has got?
Yes.
Let me hear. Please tell.
There is a shield. The pilot sits there. The shield.
Okay.
And the nose, the wings, the tail, the missile, the bomb.
Okay, look here and speak. Oh, acha, you are looking at a photograph and telling me, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So we all saw your model. So tell me, you made a Tejas model, right?
Yes.
How many pilots can sit in that?
2.
2 pilots, okay. And this plane will go very fast?
Yes.
Okay. And what all things it can do, please tell me.
It can take a U-turn
Okay, U-turn, okay.
and it can race.
It can race, okay. My God. Then? And what about the
Very fast.
very fast? Oh my God, okay. And it has got missiles and all, you were telling me?
Yes.
How many missiles?
2.
Oh, okay, 2 missiles. So these missiles, what do they do?
If the bad uncle just destroy India, so the fighter plane missile will, if he is near, it can shoot with missile.
Oh, very good, very good. I'm very happy. Bad uncles, this missile stages, missiles will go and kill all the bad uncles, isn't it?
Yes.
And Vivan, I wanted to know, your Tejas, it also has got bombs?
Yes.
Oh, no bombs. Okay. This Tejas, no bombs, only missiles.
Yes. And shooters.
Shooters, okay. Shooters means what?
Gun.
Oh, guns. Okay, very big gun or is it a small gun?
It's just a small gun.
And how many bullets in it?
1,000.
1,000 bullets. Okay. So if Vivan, are you planning to fly these stages anytime?
I can hold and fly it.
So I wanted to know, when you become a big boy, let us say 5th standard, 10th standard and all, you will make a bigger big Tejas plane with more shooters, more missiles.
If I go to my dad's office.
Okay, you will make it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now this Tejas, how does it fly? Where is the fuel? What is the fuel?
What?
What do you put inside the plane just to make it fly? What do you put the fuel?
Nothing.
No fuel at all.
No.
Okay, so how does it fly? The power, where does it get the power?
Just from our hand.
Oh, just with your hand power, this Tejas flies, right?
Yes.
It doesn't need fuel at all.
No.
Oh, very nice plane. Very nice plane. Okay. And this Tejas, can it also fly in the night, whatever you have made? Night?
But not in real.
Not in real, okay?
But I am a fireman. I can pretend it's a bad guy.
Okay. So the fireman will pretend as a bad guy and Tejas will go and hit, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. What is the color of your Tejas?
Very colorful, like a rainbow.
And how many Tejas did you make?
Only one.
Can people come and buy Tejas from you?
My Lego will get more little bit. That's why I need all of them.
Oh, acha, you cannot give it to anyone. You will have to keep it with you only, all the Lego models, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, will you give this Tejas to this uncle to fly one day and I will get it back? Morning, I will come to your home, take it, fly it and go to some place and come back?
I think it will broke off one day. That's why.
Sorry?
It will broke, no. It made of Lego. It can broke one part also. That's why you can't.
Oh, okay. If you give it to me, if I fly, it will break, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So these shooters, no, shooters will be having every time 1,000 bullets?
Yes, because fighter planes want to shoot so many people. That's why 1,000 bullets.
Okay, 1,000 bullets. Okay. Even I also wanted to make one Tejas plane, but I don't have bullets. So
You do not have bullets. That ice cream cone you have no if of Lego. Then you can make it.
okay, you can make bullets with ice cream cone.
Just no bullets.
Okay.
Inside it will be no bullets, but it's pretend.
Okay. Very nice, very nice. I'm, I'm very happy that you made this, Tejas. And I'm sure when you become a big boy, you will become a big scientist. And all of us will be clapping, we won, we won, we won, like that. Isn't it?
Yes.
Ivan, I wanted to see, how do you smile better? All right. So while flying the Tejas, do you smile?
Yes.
All right.
Little bit.
Little bit. Okay. Yeah, yeah. You have to be serious while flying, right?
Yes.
All right. So Vivan, I wanted to ask you, what all other things you made apart from Tejas?
A horse and a car, a jeep, and a ice cream parlor.
Oh, ice cream parlor. I forgot to ask you. You made an ice cream parlor. So I like ice creams a lot, Vivan. It is so yummy, ice creams.
Yes.
So I wanted to ask you, Tejas pilots, do they eat ice creams? Can they eat ice creams?
No.
No. Oh, no, no. So pilots should not eat ice creams, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. I will tell my pilot friends. All these pilot friends whom I know, who are flying Tejas, they all eat different colors of ice cream. Somebody eats red ice cream. Somebody was eating this green ice cream. We should not allow, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because what will happen if they eat ice creams, pilots?
The fighter plane will go down and it will crash.
Okay, okay. I did not know that. So ice creams are the biggest problems, right? Okay. Okay, Vivan. So that is really, really nice. So I have kept lot of gifts for you. Okay. See, there is this, I put it in a cover. This is Sukhoi. This is another fighter jet. Sukhoi, right? So I will send it to your home. Okay.
Yes.
This is Sukhoi. This is a big fighter jet. Then there is another one, MiG. It is here. I'll also send you some other interesting stuff like this, patches, and a very nice book for you. This is a police.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, her name is Kiran Bedi. It's a very nice story for children. You like reading books, na?
But I think I don't have.
Okay, so this will be your first
But
book.
I have books from in my room.
Okay, but this is also like, she also went and with shooting and all, all bad people she used to catch. You can ask your father or mother to like read her story for you. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Finally, I want to ask you one question. This Tejas, can it go top into the sky and fly? How top it can go?
Just to the sky.
Just to the sky. Okay. And if the pilot wants to come back, how does he come back? What should he do? Landing?
He has to take out the wheels.
Oh, take out the wheels and then land.
Yes.
your Tejas has got how many lights? Any lights you have?
No.
No lights at all. Okay. Okay. You have any sister or brother? Any brother, sister?
I have sister.
Oh, younger sister or is she elder sister?
Younger sister.
Oh, what is her name?
Mara.
Mara. Just call her. Can we see Mara? Call Mara.
Huh?
Can you call your sister? Just call her.
He will come right now.
Oh, आजा आजा. Oh, अच्छा चले गया. Oh, why she's your best friend?
He's here.
Oh, she's your. Okay. Hello, hello, hi, Mara. Ask her to wave her hand.
Mara, hi कर दो अंकल को.
Naika.
He's telling no.
Oh, okay. Then you don't want. Maybe she's very angry. All right. So thank you so much, Vivan. Thank you so much for talking with me. Okay. So make more planes. Make more planes and see. I also have a Tejas. You saw that, no? It's here behind. You saw that? Tejas.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay then. See you then. Bye. Bye,
Bye.
Vivan. Bye. See you. All the best.
Thank you.
So that was the young plane maker, Vivan. I hope all of you enjoyed this lovely conversation I had with him. Definitely a bright prospect for the future. Probably, you have witnessed a future Dr. Kota Harinan. Who knows? I'll be back with more such very interesting and different kind of conversations as part of Tarmac Talent Track. And you could also suggest me in case if you have some similar kind of talent. It need not be aeronautics, it could be from any other field. Thank you for watching this channel. Please do remember to write to me. Your feedback is what shapes this channel in a better way. Thank you for watching this channel once again. Jai Hind.